Hello, and thank you for having me. My name is Justice Ekun, and over the last decade, I've had the privilege of working behind the scenes in some of the world's most demanding environments, from the engine rooms of elite vessels to the complex systems of 7-star luxury hotels. Throughout my journey as an engineer, fleet and logistics officer, I've focused on one thing: using hard data and technical precision to solve high-stakes problems. I realized that the path to this role isn't always clear for those starting out. That is why I'm looking to open source my experience. I'm currently developing a beginner's blueprint to help others navigate and succeed in maritime engineering, high-end hotel maintenance, fleet and logistics management, heating, ventilation and air conditioning system, HVAC. My goal is to move beyond theory and provide a practical real-world manual for anyone looking to build a career in these elite technical sectors. I would love to know, would resources like this be valuable to you or someone in your professional circle? If you are interested in a first look, please comment tech below. I would value your feedback as I move this to the top of my priority list. Thank you for having me, and ciao.